Condo folks trying to deal with the mortgage, whether you're seller, buyer, refinancing, it is a little challenging right now. So, what the heck happened? It went from most complexes having no problems to challenges. What happened is the cost of the complex insurance went up dramatically. I was reading online, some of the complexes were saying they went up 200%. So, what happens is HOA set a budget based on a certain number for the insurance. And then when it skyrockets due to construction costs with inflation going up quite a bit from 3 or 4 years ago. Just think of that. So the replacement cost is much higher, means higher premiums. Thanks to Colorado with the hail and California with the fires, and here fires again, a lot more claims. So that also caused premiums to go up. And we had a lot of insurers leave. So they're not even offering it anymore. So less competition, higher premiums. So all this caused complexes to have to pay higher premiums. So with Fannie Mae guidelines, for example, 10% of the assessments must be set aside as a reserve for a rainy day. Well, what happened is they weren't counting on these huge insurance costs. So all of a sudden they had to dip into that 10% because the insurance, if it went up 200%, can you imagine? Maybe they were dipping in 30,000. I don't know. But all of a sudden, they don't have enough reserves. So people putting less than 10% down can't qualify on the mortgage. So what's the HOA do? What you're seeing right now, they're skyrocketing the HOAs to cover the insurance. Sometimes there's special assessments, but they have to get the reserves in line. And another move I saw that does not work is increasing the deductible. So the maximum deductible with the products I deal with is 5%. I had one HOA that went in and did 10 because they cut their premium in half. Guess what? $2 million complex, big difference between 5 to 10% on the deductible. There's no way a lender's going to allow that to go through. So this is the world we live in. Hopefully, well, California's not helpful, but hopefully they'll get the right premiums in place and the HOAs will get their budgets back in line. And the HOA dues will be done with their big increases. So we will see, but that's what's going on.